Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Please let me know audio video okay or not. Please let me know audio video okay or not. Shakir, is audio video okay? Shakir, let me know audio video okay or not. Good evening everyone. Fine, can we start? Can we start? Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. I'm coming. I'm just doing that. One minute give to me. Just give me 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Just 1 more minute give to me. Right. Yeah, I'm starting now. Everything is ready. I'm starting. So the topic is, today's topic is, right, more machine, Mealy machine. Right. I hopefully we will complete today. Hopefully this topic will complete today. So I'm starting now. Write down everyone. Everyone write down. More machine and Mealy machine. Right, we'll see now. So I have to share the screen. Yeah, I'm sharing. Thanks for informing. Yeah, good evening everyone. Yeah, it will also be uploaded, everything, right? Unnecessary, I don't teach. It will also be uploaded, right? So I'm starting now. So today's topic is more machine, Mealy machine. In the previous papers from the more machine, Mealy machine, you are able to see approximately 5 questions from the last 20 years. From the last 20 years, from the more and Mealy machine, approximately you got 5 questions. So 5 by 20. Out of 20 years, only 5 years are asked these questions. So this is not that much important, but my suggestion is read one time. It's a very simple. Read one time. My request to everyone, read one time. Out of 20 years, only 5 years, right? The question came from this topic. So I'm going to this topic. So please make sure everyone listen one time. So I'm starting now. I'm starting now. And before going to start, it will take 1 minute only. Let me say one time, right? So there is a new batch starting. There is a new batch starting for GATE CSC people and GATE DA people. New batch is starting for GATE CSC people, GATE DA people for the 2025, 2026, 2027. New batch starting, right? So actually, right? So initial subject is compiler design. It is starting right on Friday. This Friday it is going to start. Today is a Tuesday, right? On this Friday, this batch is going to start. Those people who are serious about GATE examination, they can happily join this batch. Right? I guided approximately 25 lakh people from the last 15 years. I will guide you also, right? So if you have any doubts, you can, right? You can clarify your doubt. You can WhatsApp us. We are going to help you, right? If you want to join any course, you can go to exampreptool.com. From there, you can join. Yeah, let's start the story. I'm starting now. Everyone listen. I'm starting. So finite automatas are two types. Right on now, finite automatas are two types. Finite automatas are two types. Finite automatas are two types. See this one. With this one, with output, without output. Finite automatas are two types. With output, without output. With output, without output. So without output, there are three machines. N of A, D of A, epsilon N of A. Without output, there are three finite automatas, N of A, D of A, epsilon N of A. Right? So with output, there are two machines. More machine, Mealy machine. Finite automata is, right? Finite automata will be divided into, right? Will be divided into two parts. With output, without output. With output, more machine, Mealy machine. Without output, N of A, D of A, epsilon N of A. If you want, you can check in all these three automatas, we are already discussed, right? There is no output. In all these automata, three automatas, N of A, D of A, epsilon N of A, there is no final state. There is no output. So these are language recognizers. Finite automata without output, N of A, D of A, epsilon N of A, right? So these three are language recognizers, but these two people are output generators. More machine, Mealy machines are output generators, right? N of A, D of A, epsilon N of A are language recognizer. So remember, more Mealy output generators. N of A, D of A, epsilon N of A, language recognizer. To recognize the language, right? N of A, D of A, epsilon N of A. But to generate the output, more machine, Mealy machine. More machine, Mealy machine, right? So let's start one more story. Listen, let's start one more story. Careful everyone. Careful everyone. Careful everyone. Finite automata, careful. Finite automata with output. Finite automata with output. Assume that finite automata with output. Assume that I have a one machine which is a finite automata, with the output. Assume that that is M. M is equal to finite automata with output. Machine M is equal to, because of it is also finite automata, it is also having set of states. It is also having set of state. It is also having input alphabet sigma. It is also having, right? It is also having transition function delta. It is also having starting state. Starting state, yes. But remember, everyone remember, right? There is a final state also, right? Normally final state also. Remember this final state replaced by, there are two things. Delta, right? So delta, I think some symbols I can represent. So let me read the symbol what it is. Yeah, lambda. Because of here, see, so whenever you say finite automata as a language recognizer, final state required. If you want to finite automata as a language recognizer, there is a final state. There is a final state. Now there is no final state. In the place of final state replaced by something related to output. Remember, this is output alphabet. It is the output alphabet. This is input alphabet. It is the input alphabet. Right? This is going to be output alphabet. This is going to be output function. You will get, within few minutes, you will get everything. Just try down one time. Finite automata with output, assume that machine M is equal to normal set of states. Right? So finite automata with output, machine M is equal to set of states are there, input alphabet is there, transition function is there, starting state is there, final state, final set of final states, replaced by something related to output alphabet, output function. Within few minutes you will get the clarity. You may not get now. Starting itself you don't get. Everything. Starting itself you don't get everything. Remember, just started now. Within few minutes everything all right. Do you have any doubt till now? Finite automatas are two types with output. With output is one model. Without output is another model. With output is one model. Without output is another model. Without output, you know, N of A, D of A, epsilon N of A. These are called language recognizer. These are not output generator. These are language recognizer. But if you see left side, these are output generator. These are not language recognizers. These are output generators. Now, if you see right side, just I explaining something. Finite automata with output machine M is equal to, because of it is also a finite automata, same story will be there. Because of it is also a finite automata, same story there, same story there till now. But because of it is not a language recognizer, it is an output generator in the place of F, replaced by right, delta and tau, or delta and lambda, some symbols. Delta and lambda. Lambda is a output function. Delta is a output alphabet. Lambda is a right, output function. Delta is a output alphabet. Yeah, let me know those people who are watching, say one time good evening. Those people who are watching, say one time good evening. Just started now. Say one time good evening. Just say one time good evening. Make it fast. Everyone, whoever watching, please say one time good evening. Make it fast. Everyone, everyone say one time good evening. Otherwise, how I know what are you doing? Otherwise, how I know, yaar? How I know what are you doing? Everyone, whoever watching, say one time good evening. Everyone, whoever watching, without doing a drama, can you say good evening? Those people who ever watching, without doing a drama, can you say good evening? Everyone, array, say good evening. Everyone, those people who are not saying good evening, God is seeing from top. He will note down everything. He will note down everything. Those people who are not saying good evening, God is seeing from top. He will note down everything. Say good evening. If you don't say good evening now, in examination, God will say good evening. Those people who are not saying good evening, whenever final gate exam is going on, God will say good evening. Final gate exam is going on, God will say good evening. Then you will get to know pain. Then you will get to know the pain. Right. So, anyone having any doubt till now? Finite automata is two types: with output, without output. So, with output is there are two models: a Moore machine and a Mealy machine. Right? Moore machine. Right. So, finite automata with output. Machine M is equal to. There are previously actually 5 people. Now there are 6 people. Right? Set of final state replaced by output alphabet, output function. And one more thing, remember everyone, output function lambda is going to be, listen, output function lambda is going to be, everyone listen, output function lambda is going to be, everyone listen, if I give state, you will get the output. State, listen, state itself contain output. State, right? If you know the state, you know the output also. In the case, this machine is called Moore machine. In the Moore machine, if you know the state, you know the output. In Moore machine, if you know the state, you know the output. In Mealy machine, if you know the state, if you know the input symbol also, then only you know the output. In the case of Mealy, right, state also required, input also required, then output will come. In the case of Mealy, right, state also required, input also required, then only output. But in the case of Moore machine, if you know state, you know output. If you know state, you know output. But in the case of the Mealy, you should know state also, you should know input also, then only you will get to know output. I think you may get more clarity. In few more minutes. In few more minutes, you will get more clarity. So I'm repeating once again. Today's class is just started now. Finite automata will be divided into 2 parts: with output, without output. With output Moore Mealy, without output NFA, DFA, epsilon NFA. These 3 are language recognizers, but these 2 are output generator. Let's talk about output generator. Finite automata with output. Machine M is equal to. So this is the story. So because of here no final state replaced by something related to output. So first one is the delta output alphabet. Second one is a lambda, which is the output function. What is the output function for a Moore machine? If you know state, you know output. What is the output function for a Mealy machine? If you know state and if you know the input symbol, then you will get to know what is the output. It is a Mealy machine. Within few minutes, you will get the clarity. I think because of you are absolutely fine. Let me move further. Yeah, just I want to remind everyone. Please remember this. There is a, right, every day 2 quizzes are going on. Every day there are 2 quizzes are going on EPT Telegram group. On EPT Telegram group, our EPT Telegram channel, every day 2 quizzes are going on. Morning 1 quiz, morning 1 quiz, evening 1 more quiz. So please utilize it. Please utilize it. Now come back. Now come back. Everything is ready. Now come back now. More machine. Write down now. First problem. Some problems I am saying for more machine. Some problems I am saying for more machine. If you can handle this problem, almost you are okay with this topic. Let's start the first problem. Let's start the first problem. I am starting the first problem. Write down. Write down everyone. Construct first problem. Construct more machine. Construct more machine that accepts. Construct more machine that accepts the number of occurrences of substring AB in the given string of A's and B's. Construct a more machine that counts number of occurrences of substring AB in the given string of A's and B's. That is a given problem. I will read this problem. If anyone unable to see, I will read the problem carefully. Right? If anyone unable to see, I will read the problem carefully. See this one. Construct more machine that counts the number of occurrences of substring AB in the given string of A's and B's. In the given string of A's and B's, I will give one string. In that string, A's and B's are there. But in that string, how many times substring AB coming? You have to count. How many times substring AB coming? You have to count. Construct more machine that counts the number of occurrences of substring AB in the given string of A's and B's. Everyone will get. At the end of this problem, you feel that you know more machine. At the end of this problem, you feel that you know Mealy machine. At the end of this one, everyone will get. And at the end of this problem, I am really saying to you, you feel that I know more machine. So concentrate here, concentrate. Now I want answer from everyone. Input is, listen everyone now, input string is AB. Yeah, I want answer from you. In this input string, how many times AB? In the given input string, how many times AB? Everyone say. In the given input string, how many times AB? Make it fast. In the given input string AB, in the given input string, how many times AB? Can you count? Everyone. In the given input string, how many times AB? Count it. I think if you observe clearly, AB here, AB here, output is 3. So if I give input is like that, output should be AAA. If I give the input string AB, double B, AB, right, double A, BA, and double A, output is going to be 3. How I am going to construct, you will see now. Within few minutes, you will see. If the input is like that, output should be 3. So I am starting. Can anyone help me? To get the 1 as the answer? A, B required or not? For this problem, someone is saying something. Yeah, fine. Yeah, he said he played some joke. He played some joke. I just done like this. Now listen. Now listen, everyone. Now listen, everyone. How many times AB came? 3 times. AB came 3 times, so output will be 3. Can you help me now to get the AB? To get the AB, listen. If I get AB, if I get AB, right? If I get AB, right? I will get 1. Observe clearly this. If I get AB, I will get 1. Can anyone help me now? To get the 1, how many AB is required? Make it best. Can you help me now? To get the 1 as the answer, how many ABs? At the end of this problem, you will get more clarity. At the end of this problem, you will get the more clarity. See this one. To get the 1, everyone listen. To get the 1, AB required. To get the 1, AB required. Everyone listen. To get the 1, AB required. See the answer. To get the 1, see this one. To get the 1, AB required. To get the 1, AB required. AB length is 2. To get the 1 AB required, AB length is 2. Remember, right? To take 2 length input, 3 states are required. Right? Remember, AB is 2 length. To take the two symbols, I have to, there is a need of 3 states. See this one, AB. To get the 1 AB required. AB is 2 length. AB is 2 length. AB is 2 length, right? Then if at all AB 2 length, then 3 states are required. So AB came, then output is 1. Remember, in the case of Moore machine, output is there in the state itself. In the case of Moore machine, output is there in the state itself. Now can you help me one small line? See this one. In the starting state, no AB, output is 0. In the second state, no AB, output is 0. In the third state, AB already there, output is 1. Do you have any problem till now? Please confirm me. Do you have any problem till now? Do you have any problem till now? Remember, to get the 1, AB required. To get the 1, AB required. AB length is 2. So 3 states required. To get the 1, AB required. AB length is 2. So 3 states required. Right? So I took 3 states. I kept AB. AB came. Then print output as 1. Remember, in the case of Moore machine, output is there within the state itself. If I say S3, state is right. S3 state, output is 1. If I say S2 state, output is 0. If I say S1 state, output is 0, like that. Now, but remember everyone, everyone remember. After this problem, I will write also. Remember, Moore machine, Mealy machine. Moore machine, Mealy machine. They both are deterministic in the nature. What is the meaning? You have to cover every possibility. Moore machine, Mealy machine. They both are deterministic. These two are deterministic. I am writing here. You have to cover every possibility. These are deterministic in the nature. You have to cover every possibility. You have to cover every possibility. So I am covering now. You have to cover every possibility. I am covering now. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? So AB, then 1 will be printed. AB, then 1 will be printed. Can you help me now? Before AB, any number of B's, no problem. Keep your own. So many B's are coming, no use. AB came, then go and print there. Next one. Can you help me now? I am there in the S2 state means already A over. S2 state means already A over. S2 state means already A over. Whenever you say S2 already A over, A followed by B, I will print 1. Suppose A followed by A only, right? Because of there is no AB, so same state. Same, something like a DFA construction. Something like a DFA construction. Please careful. Right, now come here now. Whenever I am at S3, indication that AB already over. See this one. Whenever I am at S3, AB already over. See everyone now. Whenever I am at S3, AB already over. AB followed by AB means already 1. AB means already 1. If I want to print once again AB required. One AB already 1 printed. One more AB, then only once again 1. One more AB. Listen, one more AB. A followed by B. One more 1. So if A comes, go to S2 state. Suppose after AB, I am at S3. AB followed by A, I will go like this. Suppose AB followed by B. I think there is no AB coming. So you have to go here. Because this B followed by again AB required, then only I will print 1. It is exactly DFA construction. Remember, Moore machine, Mealy machine, they both are deterministic in the nature. So on every state I covered A and B both. Please check. Now I want answer from everyone. Please give answer. To this Moore machine. Please give answer. I am expecting answer. Please give answer to me. What is the output? Careful everyone. If I give this input, what is the output? This is the input. I am expecting answer. This is the input. What is the output? Everyone observe. This is the input. What is the output? Remember, you have to start from starting state. Carefully, you have to start from starting state. Can you help me now? Starting state S1. Can you see what is the S1 output? Already 0. Initially you are at the S1 state. Output 0. Please print first. Okay, I printed. Now can you help me now? On S1A, I will go to S2. S1A, I will go to S2. S1 on A, I will go to S2. Right? I will go to S2, but S2 output is 0. Next one, S2 on A, I will go to S2 only. S2 means again output 0. Whichever state you are going, print that output. Next one, on S2 again A. S2 on A, S2 only. S2 output is 0, print as it is. Next one, on S2 I got B. S2 on B, I will go to S3. S3 output is 1. If you want, you can verify. Wherever you got 1, you got AB. Next one, S3 on A. It will go to S2. S2 means what is the output? 0. Next one, S2 on A. What is the answer? S2 on A, S2. Output is 0. Whichever state you go, please print that state output. Next one, S2 on A. What is the answer? S2 on A again, S2. Output is 0. Next one, S2 on B. What is the answer? S3. Output is 1. Wherever you got 1, please check the right current 2 symbols, AB. Next one, S3 on A. S2. Output is 0. Next one, S2 on A. S2. Output is 0. So what I mean to say is, listen. Listen everyone now. So in the given input string, 2 times AB, 2 ones will be printed. In the given input string, 2 times AB, 2 ones will be printed. In the given input string, 3 times AB, 3 ones will be printed. 3 ones will be printed. Please careful. 3 ones will be printed. Remaining all zeros will be printed. Remaining all zeros will be printed. And important thing is, let me ask you one interesting question. Let me ask you one interesting question. If anyone having doubt, can you see? See this one? See the input length. 1 length, 2 length, 3 length, 4 length, 5 length, 6 length, 7 length, 8 length, 9 length, 10 length. See this one. If I give 10 length input string, I will get the 11 length output. So 11 length output. If I give 10 length input, if I give 10 length input, I will get the 11 length output, because starting state output I will get first. I will get first starting state output. Afterwards, for every input, I will get one more. For every input, I will get one more. For every input, I will get one more. Right? Because of initially starting state output will be printed. Now, let me know if anyone having small doubts. Construct more machine for the given problem. I constructed. I want to say in this more machine, no output. Sorry, in the more machine, there is no final state. Let me write now. No final state. Because these are not language recognizers. No final state. In the place of that, there are outputs. There are outputs. Your required thing is satisfied. Your required thing is satisfied 1. Your required thing not satisfied zeros. No final state. Because these are output generators. These are output generators. No final state, because these are output generators. Let me know anyone having any doubt. And one more thing is, if I give n length input string, you will get n plus 1 length output string. In the case of more machine, output is there within the state itself. And more machine, Mealy machine, both are deterministic in the nature. Both are deterministic in the nature. Please careful. Both are deterministic in the nature. Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Please let me know. Those people who are watching, let me know your doubts. Those people who are watching, let me know your doubts. Everyone, please respond. Those people who are watching, let me know your doubts. Make it fast. Everyone, sir, I have this doubt, sir. It is exactly DFA construction, exactly DFA. Someone is saying, what is a lambda? Right, lambda is a output function. See, lambda is a output function. See this one? Lambda is a output function. What the output will do? If I say S1 state, right? If I say S1 state, output is 0. If I say S2 state, output is 0. If I say S3 state, output is 1. If I say S1 state, output is 0. If I say S2 state, output is 0. If I say S3 state, output is 1. Means if I give the state name, you are giving output. So output function lambda is going to be, if you know state, you know output. This is output alphabet. If you know state, you know output. So this is called output alphabet. Delta is the output alphabet. So that, right, the symbols which are there in the delta, they are using for output purpose. So for this problem, for the given problem, right, output alphabet is going to be 0, 1. Input alphabet sigma is going to be A, B. Input alphabet is going to be A, B. Output alphabet delta is going to be 0, 1. Next one, output function lambda is going to be, if you know state, you know output. If you know state, you know output. Next one, right? S is equal to, sorry, Q is equal to set of states. Q is equal to set of states. So S1, S2, S3. Next one, S is the initial state, which is S1. S is the initial state. Q is the set of states. Sigma is the input alphabet. Delta is the output alphabet. Lambda is the output function. In the case of Moore machine, if you give state, you will get output. Let me know anyone having any doubt. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Check. Everyone, whoever watching, respond, yaar. Whoever watching, respond. Arey, respond, yaar. Whoever watching, respond. Arey, bol do, yaar, bol do. Bol do, yaar. ऐसे चलता रहूं. Someone is saying if we take more than 10 inputs, you will get the more than 11 outputs. If you take 10 inputs, you will get the 11 outputs. If you take more than 10 inputs, you will get more than 11 outputs. So that code is over, Navjot, that code is over, right? Whenever it is there, you don't use. Whenever it is there, you don't use. That code is not there, time is over, Sir, can we still get, yeah, fine. Can we go further? Neha, if you give more than 10 inputs, you will get the more than 11 outputs. But one thing is true, n number of inputs, if you give n plus 1 number of outputs, you will get. Right? So I think because of you are little bit okay, here any condition for taking input, no condition, nothing. You give anything. But AB there, listen. Whenever AB came, this one, AB came, output is 1. That's it. That is the logic. Whenever you see AB, output should be 1. 1 will be printed. AB came, 1 should be printed. AB came, 1 should be printed. Suppose 5 times AB came, 5 times 1 will be printed. Remaining people are zeros. How many times AB came? Those many times 1 will be printed. But other time 0 will be printed. So if I give n length input string, I will get the n plus 1 length output. If anyone thinking that sir, some doubts are there, if you think some doubts are there, in the next problem you will get more clarity. You got little idea. See, before this problem, you don't know what is happening. Now you got some idea. Oh, Moore machine, Mealy machine. They both are deterministic, something like DFA. You have to cover every possibility exactly one way. So, deterministic. And one more, there is no final state because these are not language recognizer. These are output generators. Why no final state is, they are not for language recognition. They are for output generation. In the case of Moore machine, output is there within the state itself. In the case of Moore machine, can you help Moore machine, everyone remember, Moore machine, output is more. That means n length input if I give, I will get n plus 1 length output. Moore machine, output is more. N length input if I give, n plus 1 length output I will get. Remember that. But in the case of Mealy, n length input, output also n length. Sir, Moore and Mealy machine, something like computer. Maybe you can say. Right? Maybe you can say. Computer is more than that. Computer is more than that. See, computer means Turing machine. Shakir. Computer means Turing machine. These are bacha machines. It is almost like calculator, maybe small operations. When you say computer, right, Turing machine will come. These are small machines, maybe calculator, small size calculator. Remember, can I help in a more machine, Mealy machine? Which one having more outputs? More machine, Mealy machine. Which one having more output? More machine, Mealy machine. Which one having more output? More having more. More machine having more output. For more machine, if I give 10 length input, it will produce 11 length output. Remember like that. More machine means more. Then what about Mealy? N length if I give, it will give output N length only. N length input if I give, it will produce N length output only. That is called Mealy. More machine, if you give N length, it will produce N plus 1 length. More means more. Remember this. I also remembered, you also remember. More means more. In the case of more machine, state is bigger size. See, state contains state name also, output also. In the case of more machine, every state is more size. In the case of more machine, every state is more size because state name also there, output also there. Just remember like that. Just remember like that. Just remember like that. Can we move further? Can we go to next problem? You will get clarity. I am very sure you will get the clarity. Most probably in the next problem, A to Z you will get. Most probably in the next problem, A to Z you will get. Can we move to next? Most probably in the next problem, you will get A to Z. Can we move to next? Everyone say yaar. Say everyone yaar. Move to next. Say everyone, move to next. Don't sit like a stone yaar. Arey, Navjot, don't sit like a stone, man. Please respond. Arey, Ashwini, are you there? Ashwini, are you there? Neha, are you there? Neha, are you there? Neha, are you there? No. She will ask question, she will go. She will ask the question, I will give answer, she will go. Oh, she's there. Oh. Yeah, now come here. Come here now. So if anyone is zero, in DSA, if you are zero in DSA, I will make you hero in DSA. If you are zero in DSA, I will make you hero in DSA. There is a DSA course going on. Please join that. Please join. If you are in DSA, you are zero. I will make you hero in DSA within 2 months. Within 2 months, I will make you. Within 2 months, I will make you. If anyone is here, you are zero in DSA. Trust me. Right? Within 2 months, I will make you hero. The only thing is 2 months you have to work dedicatedly. 2 months if you work dedicatedly, you will be so good in DSA. There is a DSA course for placement is available. You can utilize this. DSA course for placement with internship. Please utilize this wonderful opportunity. Instead of crying entire life, DSA I don't know. There are some students are there. Entire life they will cry. DSA I don't know. Arey man, 2 months struggle yaar, you will become hero in DSA. 2 months struggle, you will become hero in DSA. Not only me, right? Richa madam also teaching, Mealy madam also teaching, Nidhi madam also teaching for the DSA course. Please utilize it. Please utilize. Now come back. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Now come back. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. I am expecting people will give answer for this. Let's start. I am expecting people will give answer for this problem. Question number 2. Construct more machine. I am expecting answer from everyone. Construct more machine. Construct more machine that accepts all strings of A's and B's. Construct a more machine that takes construct a more machine that takes all strings of A's and B's and counts number of occurrences of substring BAA that counts number of occurrences of substring BAA. Yeah, that is a given problem, mostly similar like previous. Now I will try to give the input. Please, let's see what kind of output you are expecting. Can you see this one? A B A B A A A B B A A B A. Now let's see this one. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So totally 15. So in the case of more machine, definitely 16 should be there. Some people are asking, sir, how? Let me check. Very interesting answer. Let me check here. Everyone listen. BAA. Listen. BAA. Here 1 will come. Next one. BAA. Here 1 will come. Next one. Here BAA. 1 will come. 111 already came. Remaining all places 0. Remaining everywhere 0. Whenever BAA 1 will be there. So, and one more thing, before reading any symbol, initially you are in the starting state. That will also be printed. Initially you are there in the starting state without reading any symbol. You are there in the starting state. Initially you are there in the starting state. Print the starting state output first. Further, based on the symbol, you will go to one of the state, you will print that output also. But count here, number of times BAA 3 times. Number of times BAA 3 times. So now I am giving a rough diagram. BAA, how many people will give? Listen everyone now. To get the 1 times BAA required. To get the 1 time BAA required. BAA is 3 length. 3 length strings if I want to give. 4 states required. To get the 1 time BAA required. BAA is 3 length. To get the 3 length, 4 states required. So let's take 4 states. S1, S2, S3, S4. So it's going to be, so see this one, BA, 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 BAA, BAA. So 1K. Remaining places 0. Remaining places 0. So from now onwards, DFA stuff. Remember, BAA will come, then only 1. And every state having some significance. Every state having some significance. Remember, every state indirectly, directly remembering BAA. Every state indirectly, directly remembering BAA. See this one. S4 remembering BAA. S3 remembering BA. S2 remembering only B. Everyone helping for BAA. S4 saying that BAA came. S3 saying that BA came. S2 saying that B came. S1 saying that nothing came. So can you help me now? My goal is BAA. Whenever I'm working for BAA, right? So BA may come or only B come. Suppose in the BAA, if B comes, I will proceed further. BA comes, I will proceed further. BAA will come, I will print 1, that's okay. Suppose isn't that even B also not coming, right? Before B, any number of A's, no problem. Because there is no BAA. My goal is BAA, I want to remember. Before BAA, anything will come, I don't care. But remember here, BAA, this indication that B came. BAA, this indication that B came. B followed by AA, I will go to S4. Suppose B followed by one more B. There is no use. Simply B only came. In the BAA, I am looking for BAA. After B, one more B. I think same state. Because only B came till now. Because I want to remember BAA. Can you remember this one? S3 means already BA came. BA followed by A, I will go to final. BA followed by B came. I think my sequence is gone. What is the answer? Again, B came. B followed by AA required. B followed by AA required. So like that. So that is also okay. You know DFA construction. If anyone don't know DFA construction, I cannot teach DFA construction here because I already done 50 problems in the TOC course. I already done 50 DFAs. 50 DFAs I already done. Please be careful. Every state remembering something. I cannot say DFA construction now. Can you go to S4? S4 means already BAA came. S4 means already BAA came. One time BAA, one already printed. After BAA, if at all A came, I think our BAA gone. And important thing is that last 3 symbols, if I take BAA gone, last 2 symbols, if I take BA also not there. First 1 symbol, if I see only B also not there, I think start from starting. Because total thing is spoiled. In the BAA, last 3 symbols are BAA. Suppose after BAA, if at all A came, last 3 symbols, BAA not there. At least last 2 symbols, BA not there. At least last 1 symbol, B also not there. Oh, total sequence gone. Then go back to starting. Total sequence gone. Then go back to starting. Next one. After BAA, if B came, 3 people are not working because BAA not working. 2 people not working, BA not working, but 1 person working, B. So this B followed by AA. This B followed by AA. Again, I will go back to, right? So, right, output 1. That's it. DFA construction, I am not done anything. DFA construction, I am not done anything. Are you comfortable? DFA construction, are you comfortable? If anyone is not comfortable, DFA construction, I done 50 problem. Please take care. DFA construction, I done 50 problem. In TOC course, I done 50 problems. DSA course, I done 50 problems. If anyone still not getting DSA course, I done 50 problem. Please revise the notes one time. Please revise the notes one time. And to this machine, you give 10 length input. It will give 11 length output. If you want, you can check. If you want, you can check. Because starting state, initially you have to print a starting state output. Further, for every symbol, you will go to some state. Print that state output also. Whichever state you are going, that state output print. But initially you are there in the starting state, print starting state output also. Print starting state output also. Yeah, because of you are really comfortable. Now I am writing few points. I am writing. See the few points. Note. First point. More and Mealy. Within few minutes, I will say Mealy also. More and Mealy. More and Mealy machines are output generators. Not language recognizers. So, number of final states in both More and Mealy number of final states in both More and Mealy is 0. That is the first point. More and Mealy machines are output generators, not language recognizers. So, number of final states in both More and Mealy is 0. That is the first point. 2. More and Mealy are deterministic in the nature. These are not N of A, they are D of A's. Deterministic in nature. Deterministic. More and Mealy are deterministic. Means every possibility you have to cover exactly one time. That's okay. Third point. For n length input string, more machine will produce n plus 1 length output. Mealy machine will produce n length output. We will see within few minutes Mealy also. More machine will produce n plus 1 length output. Mealy machine will produce n length output. Two problems I given. Almost everyone comfortable. One or two doubts are there. Right? When you do few more problems, you will get the more clarity. Can I move to next? One more problem we will do. Everyone confirm. Everyone confirm. Everyone confirm. Can we move to next? Arey Ashwini, say yaar. In the group you are killing. In the group you are killing me. Say now. Sir, this is not completed. That is not completed. This is off. That is off. You are keep on killing me. Now you are not responding. बोल दो अश्विनी भैया बोल दो अरे बोलो यार या फाइन अरे नवजोत आर यू देयर hi Bhaskar hi yeah let's move to next problem write down construct one more problem construct more machine which will take 0s and ones as input and produces, remember not 0 and 1, zeros and ones, and produces output A if the input ends with 1 0. Produces output A if the input ends with 1 0. And produces output B if the input is ends with 1 1. Produces output C otherwise. This is the problem. Hi Sagar, hi. Thank you so much, Sagar. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, so Sagar, how is the placement? IIIT Jabalpur, how is the placement, Sagar? Please let me know so that I can guide the students next year. I can inform them what is the condition of Jabalpur. IIIT Jabalpur, how? Right? Please let me know in terms of placement. You can personally ping me also. I want to know about that from long time. Please let me know personally so that I can guide the students. Next time if anyone asks. So this is the problem. Can anyone try what is the answer for this? Construct more machine which will take zeros and ones as input. Produces output A if the input ends with 1 0. Produces output B if the input is ends with 1 1. Produce output C otherwise. Ending 1 0 output is A. Ending 1 0 output A. Ending 1 1 output is B. Otherwise C. Yeah, let me try this. Let me try. Listen, let me try now. Output is A if the input ends with 1 0. Means to get A, listen, to get A, I have to take 1 0. 1 0 means 2 length. 2 length string if I want to take, 3 states are required. So start the automata with 3 states. Start the automata with 3 states. So to get the A, ending should be 1 0 means 2 length. 2 length means 3 states required. So let's see everyone. Everyone see 1 0. Ending with 1 0. Output is A. Suppose ending with 1 1. Ending with 1 1. One more state. It is a B. Otherwise C. Otherwise C. Otherwise C means no input also. No input. Nothing is given. Then C. Suppose only 1 over. Then also C. Next one. So many zeros are coming. Otherwise C na C. Otherwise C. Otherwise C. So C here. So many zeros are coming. C. Because I want 1 0 or 1 1. 1 0 means A. 1 1 means B. Other than that, it will go to 0. Means C's. Now can you help me now? Can you help me now? On S1, 0 over 1 over. On S2, 0 over 1 over. Remember, ending two symbols matter. Ending two symbols 1 0 A. Ending two symbols 1 1 B. Otherwise C. Let's see here. Interesting answer. S3 means already 1 0 over. After 1 0, remember last two symbols important. After 1 0, one more 0. I think last two symbols are not 1 0. At least two, right? One symbol also not matching. Start from starting. Because I want either 1 0 or 1 1. Next one. After 1 0, I got 1. Last two symbols are not matching. At least last one symbol matching. Yes. One symbol means 1 over. 1 over. Go to here. It is the DFA construction. It is the DFA construction. I done 50 problem. Last two symbols are important here. Last two symbols are important here. Can you come to S4? S4 means 1 1 over. 1 1 followed by 0. Last two symbols 1 0. Go here. Next one. After 1 1, after 1 1, one more 1. Last two symbols are 1 1. Same state. DFA construction, DFA construction, nothing special. DFA construction, nothing special. DFA construction, nothing special. S1, 0 and 1 over. S2, 0 and 1 over. S3, 0 and 1 over. Last two symbols are important. Last two symbols are important. Last two symbols are important. Are you okay? Suppose nothing there, print C. Nothing there, print C. Only zeros are over, print C. 1 lakh zeros are there, print C. Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Bhaiya? Anyone? Until now I said 3 problems. Until now I said 3 problems. Do you have any doubt? 3 problems I done. Do you have any doubt? 3 or 4, I don't know. 3 or 4, I don't know. 1. It is a 1. It is a 2. Yeah, it is a 3. 3 problems I done. 3 problems I done. 3 problems I done. Yeah, now, whatever you say, I will do. Should I stop? Whatever you say, I will do. Should I stop or should I continue? You just let me know. Can I take one more or can I stop? Hello? Neha madam. Neha madam. Should I stop or should I continue? Neha madam, should I stop or should I continue? Ashwini, Ashwini, should I stop or continue? Shakir, Shakir, should I continue or should I stop? Your boss, your decision is final. Okay? Okay? Kill me, kill me, kill me. अरे अश्विनी बोल दो यार. अश्विनी बोल दो. Should I continue or should I stop? Nimit, Nimit, one more person, Nimit. Nimit, Mistri. Nimit, Mistri, what should I do? Give one Mealy example and stop. Yeah, let's go for Mealy. Let's go for Mealy. Listen now, let's go for Mealy. Write down. Construct Mealy machine for the above problem. Above problem. Construct a Mealy machine for the above problem. Yeah, I will try now. Whatever more machine you constructed, to that more machine, I am constructing Mealy. What are the Mealy? Let's see this one. Listen, let's see this one. Output is A. Output is A if the input ends with 1, 0. If the inputs ends with 1, 0. Output is B if the input ends with 1, 1. Output is C otherwise. Above problem is this one. Construct a Mealy machine for the above problem. Above problem is this one, right? Just I written once again. Right. Now see this one. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. So Ashwini is saying that Ashwini not able to control how Mealy machine look like. Ashwini is not able to control how Mealy machine look like. More machine I am okay. How Mealy machine look like? He is unable to control. He is unable to control. He is saying, please give Mealy machine now only. Please give Mealy machine now only. Are Ashwini, you have to control sometime. If you don't control, you will go to jail. You should have controlling power. He is saying that just give Mealy also now. More is over. I cannot control myself. Give Mealy also. You have to control yourself. If you don't control, you will go to jail. You will go to jail. Just let us assume that just your engagement is over. Just engagement over. Arey man, marriage is not over. Yeah, just only engagement. Ashwini, remember, only engagement over. Control, bhaiya. Just control. Yeah, that's what I am saying. Just control. Only engagement over. You cannot get everything. Are just engagement over, yaar. Marriage not over. Just engagement over. How marriage? Without marriage, how kids, man? 25 kids, how? Control, yaar. Control. He's saying that just give Mealy also. I am giving now. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. See, everyone observe. S1 state. In the case of Mealy, output is not there within the state. In the case of Mealy, output is not there within the state. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. It is a S1 state. See the answer. On S1 state, see this one. On S1 state, one is coming. I will go to S2 state. Can anyone help me now? What is the output? On S1 state, one coming. I will go to S2 state. But can you say what is the output? On S1 state, one is coming. I will go to S2 state. Please let me know what is the output. Ending 10 A. Ending 11 B. Ending 10 A. Ending 11 B. Otherwise C. Can you say what is the output? On S1 state, one coming, I will go to S2. Respond. On S1 state, one coming, I will go to S2. What is output? Ending 10 A. Ending 10 A. Ending 11 B. Otherwise C. So S1 on 1, I will go to S2, but output C. S1 on 1, I will go to S2, output C. So what I mean to say is, without, listen, not only state, input symbol also will decide output. In the case of Moore machine, input symbol will not decide output. State will decide. But here, input also, state also, both will decide output C. S1 state 1, output C, I will go to S2. In the case of the Mealy machine, if you want output C, current state also important, current input symbol also important. Based on that, you will get output. In the Mealy machine, current state also important, current input symbol also important. See, current state, current input symbol, then output will come. But in the case of the Moore, if you know the current state, you will get the right output directly. This is for Moore. This is for Mealy. Yeah, now see this one. S1 on 1. I will go to S2, but output is C. Now listen everyone now. S2 state means already 1 over or not? S2 state means already 1 over or not? Hello? Hello? Please give answer to me. S2 state means already 1 over or not? S2 state means already 1 over or not? S1 state 1, I will go to S2, output is C. But S2 state means already 1 over. Already 1 over. Try to understand. S2 state means already 1 over. Already 1 over. Please listen. Listen one time. Listen one time. Listen one time. Everyone listen. Listen one time. On S2 state, listen. On S2 state, 0 coming. I will go to S3 state, but output is A. 1 0. On S2 state means already 1 over. One more 1 is coming. Then I will go to state S4, output is B. 1 1 output B. 1 0 output is A. right? You have to cover the remaining things. Now listen, same story, yeah. So one, right, S3 means 10 already over. S3 means ending two symbols are 10. S3 means ending two symbols are 10. 10 followed by 0. See, last two symbols, nothing working. So just go back to here. 0 is coming, output C. 10 followed by 1. Last two symbols you see. It is not either 10, it is not 11. Last two not working. At least last one working. Go here. 1 output is C. In the similar way, let's go to S4. S4 means already 1 1. 1 1 followed by 0. 1 0. 1 0. Right? 1 1 followed by 0. 1 0. Then print output as A. Next one. 1 1 followed by 1. Lastly double 1. Can be same state. Next one. S1 on any number of zeros. No use. Nothing. Same story. Same story. When you don't know, it look like crazy. Whenever you don't know, it look like crazy thing. If you know more, you know Mealy. If you know more, you know Mealy. The only thing is, in the case of Mealy, output is there on the transition. But in the case of the more machine, output is there within the state. In the more machine, output is there within the state. But in the case of Mealy, output is there on the transition. What does the meaning? Input symbol also required. In Mealy, output is based on current state, current input symbol. In the more, current state only important. Is it okay? Is it okay? Oi, 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 is it okay? Is it okay? Ashwini Bhaiya, is it okay? Are Shakir, okay? Nimit, are you okay? Nimit Bhaiya, are you okay? Are Navjot, are you okay? Nimit Bhaiya, are you okay? Navjot Bhaiya, are you okay? Those people whoever watching, who will like the channel. Are buffoon, who will like the channel? You are watching, okay? Who will like the channel? Are like and subscribe, yaar. Who will like? Who will like? Who will subscribe? Watching going. Who will subscribe, yaar? Karo yaar. Are watching going. Who will subscribe? Karo yaar. Neha, every time you will watch, don't you subscribe? Every time you will watch, don't you subscribe? Karo yaar, karo. Nishu saying, sir, can I get your notes? Why you want to get my notes? My writing is doctor writing. Why you want? Why you want, yaar? On Friday, one batch is starting. On Friday, one batch is starting. Those people who are serious about GATE, if you are serious about GATE, so you can start in this batch. Compiler is starting. In this batch, you can start. In this batch, you can start. So, right, what is the Mayank? Mayank saying no, 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 no. Mayank, what is the problem? Mayank, what is the problem, Bhaiya? Mayank Bhaiya having problem. Mayank Bhaiya having problem is Gaya. Mayank Bhaiya, Gaya. So can we stop now? Yeah, perfect, perfect. Thank you, Abhiraz. Thank you, Abhiraz. And one more thing is, Neha, tomorrow morning, left out part will be there. Tomorrow morning, left out part of more machine, Mealy machine will be there. Tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, left out part will be there. Okay? Yeah, in EPT, left out part will be there. Tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, EPT, left out part will be there. So that we can finish it off. Okay, na? Tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. I think in my opinion, 4 more problems are there, I will cover. 4, maybe 4 or 5, right? 4 or 5 problems are there, I will cover. Right? Fine. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you in the next class. Those people who are serious, right? If you are not, right? If you are not joined at anywhere, if you want, you can join in this batch. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you. Good night, everyone. Good night. Good night, Abhi. Good night, everyone.